What is going on, guys? My name is Kevin, and today I got a really exciting video for you guys. We're going to be talking about the Dbrand Prism. This is a hybrid screen protector. I'm going to be doing some real-world durability tests. You know, nothing to intentionally break my phone, but we want to see for $30, is this screen protector going to last the test of time? Just like I did with my Dbrand Grip video, I'm going to be talking about all the important questions that you guys might have prior to picking up the product. But also, speaking about the Dbrand Grip, I got an update, so stay tuned for that. But first, let's see what comes in the box of the Dbrand Prism. The package itself, Dbrand's killed it again, considering it's just a screen protector. It comes with 2 protective films in case you F up on the first try. We also get a squeegee, alcohol wipes, a sticker to remove dust off your screen, and another microfiber cloth. Installation was super easy. I watched the near 8-minute long tutorial as I was doing it, making sure to hit a quick dab with that skull sticker. Quick note about the install, if you have an air blower, make that at hand, and don't freak out when you initially lay down the film onto your phone. The bubbles are easily going to come out with that squeegee, and after that you can hit the protective film with the alcohol to remove all these smaller bubbles. In its own way, it's just as easy to install as the Whitestone screen protector, but it's 20 bucks cheaper. With the exception of my front earpiece, everything went perfectly. Really, the problem here was that there is a small chip right next to my earpiece, which forced me to give it a slight shift. If you wipe it clean and look at the screen protector in person, it's hard to even notice it's on your phone. Alright, so it passed the Face ID test, of course, but no confirmed word as of yet on how the 6D model is going to fare with the built-in fingerprint scanner. When I hear back from more people, I will make sure to update the video description so we do have a solid answer. I also wanted to show the fingerprint resistance. The film has a decent oleophobic property to it, which really can't be said about most plastic screen protectors. A common question that people have with glass screen protectors are, how often does the product come in damaged, like through the mail? But as you can tell, the Prism isn't really fragile like glass. Now, if I had to guess why Dbrand is marketing this as a hybrid glass screen protector, is because they've added aluminum oxide or another element like that to strengthen the plastic. But who really cares? Let's just test it. The items that you're most likely to have in your pocket that could do your phone harm are keys, coins, and maybe even a pocket knife, so we're going to take these to their extremes. The coin was doing a whole lot of nothing, so... Yep, I'm not surprised. What you just heard was a deep scratch from a hard press of the brass key. The pocket knife didn't actually do damage. As long as you don't dig it really hard like I did with the brass keys, it will hold up. But we've already scratched the surface, so I went at it with a razor blade anyways and took off a thin layer. So what we learned here by doing this is that by going with a hybrid glass and plastic film, Dbrand has sacrificed a deeper level of scratch protection for greater shock and impact protection. That, and don't risk putting your keys in the same pocket as your phone, even if you have a glass screen protector or a Prism. Just a few days ago, I actually did get an accidental face-down drop onto my kitchen tiles from around 3 feet. The iPhone without a case just slipped right out of my joggers and came out unscathed. Even something like that would be enough to chip or crack tempered glass. So Dbrand, my critique of your product isn't that you need to switch manufacturing materials, but what would make this product more compelling would be to not include 2 films, but 3. The thickness of the film is good, it doesn't feel cheap either, but I figured for future reference, 3 for $30 would sound a lot better. Now honestly, the reason why I didn't go balls to the walls and drop a hammer on my phone is because these videos aren't sponsored. I don't make that much money off of YouTube, so for me to put all my faith into a screen protector, that's just not very smart. But what I can do is give you my honest opinion about products like this and tell you if it's worth your money, and for 30 bucks, it's a hard sell. If you're someone that finds themselves constantly messing up screen protectors to the point where you have to reorder them constantly, this is a product for you because honestly, it is foolproof. You can't really mess up this installation. Dbrand has made it very simple, but again, if you're fine with installing regular glass screen protectors, why not just go that way? By the way, somehow nobody noticed this or called me out for my Dbrand Grip video, except for Dbrand themselves on Twitter. In that video, I made a small oopsie and forgot to apply pressure on the camera cutout. A very minor difference, but in my opinion, it looks just a tad bit better, and Dbrand's explanation for this was to simply thin out the back, and the conical shape prevents the flash from being intersected. So with that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, and also I'm going to be doing an updated video on my Dbrand Grip and the Dbrand Prism, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on for that. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video.